Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I am going to teach us how to earn more money on Facebook. Monetizing on Facebook is not the main issue. It's you earning on Facebook that is the main issue. Most people complain that they have been monetized for the past 2 months, 3 months, but they are making just little cents on their page, even when they are getting views. There are a lot of things on Facebook that influences the earnings that you get on your page. It's not about the views, but there are a lot of things that influences what you get. You may be getting views because some time ago, someone reached out to me and said, I caught 124k views on a video and I didn't make up to $1. So there are things that influence how you earn on Facebook. On this video, I'm going to share with you how to increase your earnings on Facebook. Remember, I am Justice Chibuike. Here I teach Facebook growth and monetization. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe and give this video a thumb up so that others will see the video. So coming back to our video, what are those things that influences how you earn on Facebook? The first thing is your content, your niche. That is the first thing. The kind of niche that you create content on, the kind of content that you post on Facebook determines the kind of money that you earn on Facebook. Like myself on YouTube, my RPM here is always high. So when I get 1k views, I make money, a lot of money, more than an entertainment YouTuber who gets up to 50k views and the rest. So the kind of content you post on Facebook determines the kind of money you are going to make on Facebook. Now, let me break this down. There is what we call RPM on Facebook. This RPM is being calculated by 1k views that you get on your video. So if you get 1k views on your video, the RPM means how much Facebook is going to pay you per 1,000 views that you get on your videos. So if you have 0.5 RPM, for example, if you get 1,000 views, what you are going to earn is $0.5. But if you have 10 RPM on your page and you get 1k views, what you are going to make is $10. The higher the RPM, the higher you are going to earn on Facebook. I'm going to make a video on how to increase your RPM. Okay, so the second thing that influences how you earn on Facebook is the length of your video. This is very important. Let's assume that you are a kind of person that creates just 1-minute videos on your page, and these videos are getting up to 100k views and more. And you expect to make money. No, it doesn't work that way, because how you earn on Facebook is determined by how many ads that viewers see on your video. So when you make just 1-minute videos, see more than one ad, and when they do this, you see that you don't make more money because viewers are not seeing more ads on your video. But when you make up to 10 minutes videos, 5 minutes videos, your viewers are going to see up to 3 ads on that video while watching it. And you see that the more they see ads, the more money you are going to make. So this is another thing that influences what you earn on Facebook. Another thing that influences the money you make on Facebook is the interaction on your video. You see, most videos get views, but they don't have interaction. People don't talk on this video. People don't react on it, although it has more views. But the more people react on your video, the more they get to see ads, the more Facebook knows that there is something on this video that people are reacting or talking about. And they are going to find an ad that is going to interest those people that are commenting and interacting on that video, and they are going to show them that ads. And the more they show them that ads, there's a higher chances of them purchasing something or clicking on that ad. And this is going to influence how much you make on Facebook. Another thing that influences how you earn on Facebook is your video quality. So there are people that don't watch videos that are blurry. So when you make videos that are blurry, Facebook is going to show it to people, the poor people who love watching videos that are blurry, that are not that sharp, because sharp videos consume a lot of data. And so sharp videos or HD videos are watched alone by people that have a lot of data. That is people that have money. Okay, so if you make blurry video, Facebook is going to show it to people who have interest in watching videos that don't consume much of their data. But if your videos are in HD, Facebook will show it to people who watch only HD videos, and these people have higher chances of purchasing something that they see on ads. So this also influences how you earn, the audience, the people that are watching your videos. So if you make blurry videos, people that watch your video are not high intent people who will purchase ads. So this influences how you earn on Facebook. This is very important. Most people don't know this and they go ahead, they create content and they are not making money. If you want to earn more, then you should create content for the big guys, not the small guys, not the poor ones. Create content for the rich guys who are going to watch this video and extract value and interact with the video. So this also influences how you earn on Facebook. Another thing that influences how you earn on Facebook is the country that watches your video more. So if your videos are watched by mostly Africans and Asians, I'm sorry to disappoint you, you're not going to earn much money compared to when it's watched by people in Europe and America. Okay, these people, they are known as the tier 1 countries, and whatever they touch turns to gold. So if you create content that attracts people from those regions to watch, you are going to earn more money compared to when it's only Africans and Asians that watch your video. All right, so mind you, some countries also in Africa also give you high chances of earning more on Facebook, but countries in Europe and America will always give you an edge when it comes to earning on Facebook, even on other platforms. I've seen a video that had almost 700 and something K views on TikTok, and it made only $50. Only $50 because the audience are from Africa and Asia. But let's assume that it's the people abroad that watched that video. That video had the tendency of making up to $200 or more dollars. So the country that consumes your content also matters a lot. So these are the few things that influences how you earn on Facebook. So if you want to earn more on Facebook, implement this stuff. Try to change some of the things that you're not doing right that I just learned from this video. And you are going to see changes on your page and you will start earning more on your page. On a successive video, I'm going to teach us how to increase your RPM so that you earn more on Facebook. Till I call your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike. Stay safe and keep creating.